Okay, so nakarating na kami dito sa Terminal 2 departure. Agahan namin kung ma-accommodate kami as early as possible para makapaglibot-libot naman. Hindi namin masyadong nakita ang beauty ng Korea kasi syempre gabi, tsaka mabilisan lang. But I like it here. Pristine, tahimik, mukhang very safe. Just ko yung hotel niya walang security. Halos walang tao. So early in the morning, come and go lang ang tao sa revolving door. Yeah, someday, masarap pumasyal dito. Parang Singapore feels lang din. Singapore, Japan. Ganyan. Okay, here we go. Back in Incheon Airport. Okay, now we have to figure out yung plane tsaka boarding gate namin. Okay, let me just check. So, yung KE 621 kami ng 750. So, yung counter, any, A, B, C, D, E. Choose what you want. All over. From here to here. Okay, so we're just waiting here. We're actually too early. 5:30 pa pala yung bukas ng mga counters ng Korean Air. So, 15 minutes more. So, dito lang kami. People watching. Okay, so since binigay naman na yung boarding pass sa amin yesterday, so we had to go straight to security, tapos immigration officer, and then I'm walking towards now to 254. So dun yung aming boarding gate. And then I just received a notification from the Korean Air app I have in my phone. Na-load na yung mga baggage namin. Walking towards 254. So boarding time namin is 7:15 in the morning. Flight is 7:50. Then ang arrival time is 10:55. So around 11. So hopefully by 12, palabas na kami ng NAIA, Terminal 1. So right now pala nandito kami sa Terminal 2, dito sa Incheon Airport. Mukhang sarado pa ang duty free. Oh, I don't know what time mag-open. Naku, mukhang hindi na kami makakapagtingin ng beauty products. Siguro next time, sa pabalik na lang. Sana naman wala nang madelay na flight pabalik namin. Kasi pabalik is Korean Air ulit. Dalawang Korean Air. From Manila to here. And then here to Vancouver. Vancouver to Edmonton, Air Canada ulit. So, ito, 254 to 270. Transfer lounge. Ooh, may Dunkin Donuts. Ito na. Ito na nga yung lounge ng international transfer. Yan na. Mukhang meron ng open. Mukhang makakabili ka ng beauty products mo. Liquor and foods. Ayun, cosmetics yan na, oh. Yun. The next one there. After the liquor and foods. You can check the products you were saying. We have Korean won, so we can use it. Umaga pa lang, pawis levels na. Talagang ramdam mo na yung nasa Asia ka. Ayan, cosmetics and perfumes. Marami nagtitingin na kaagad. So parang actually maambon today. Oh, ito yung smoking room nila. So very accessible. Nandito lang din sa mga boarding gate, oh. Okay, so this is 254 na. Sige, let's just check. Oh, although maaga pa for our boarding, but better yet, check muna kung anong meron sa boarding gate and whatnot bago kumain or mamili. Okay, so this is our boarding gate, 7:50. Ang boarding time is 7:15. So, time now is 5:45. So, we have like 1.5 hours na maggalgal-galgal dyan. So, sige. Kain muna siguro kami at magtingin muna ng beauty products. Okay, so mag-explore muna kami dito and I'll check kung meron akong magugustuhan dun sa Dunkin Donuts. Itong dalawang anak ko di nila feel kumain. Yung isa pala light lang. Pero yung isa daw sa aeroplano na. Okay, so check out lang namin mga stores dyan. Sa lahat ng airport talagang dito lang sa Incheon yung accessible yung smoking. Tapos sa katapat niya, toilet. And then, ito na yung shopping area. And then, this one naman yung tobacco and liquor and foods. So, ito yung Dunkin dito. Ang style nila parang sa bread to. May tray, oh. Kuha ka muna ng food, tapos babayaran mo. No problem. Dalawang luggage ang hawak ko kasi mga anak ko nandun sila sa cosmetics. So, I cannot buy by myself. Okay, silipin ko lang kung anong mabibiling donut. And maybe coffee. Ah, teka. Parang iba yung donuts nila dito. Mas special compared sa Philippines. Wala din yung gusto ko na natin choco. Okay, sige. Upo na lang muna ako because I'm struggling with these bags. Antayin ko na lang matapos yung mga anak ko. And then when they're done, ako naman ang pupunta doon. And I have to remove my backpack kasi baka masagi ko yung mga paninda. Mahirap na, diba? So, nag-member ako ng Skypass ng Korea and I downloaded the app na sa cellphone ko. So, kapag may movement, like halimbawa, na-load na daw yung mga baggage dun sa aeroplano. So, I'm getting notification. Tapos, yung seats din namin today, although magkakatabi kaming tatlo, the seat though is emergency exit. So, meaning merong extra instructions na nakalagay, no? So, in case of emergency, dapat nakakaintindi ka ng instruction. That means you understand English also. In case of emergency, pwede kayong bigyan ng instructions kung ano yung gagawin. So, ganun pala kapag ikaw once ay napaupo sa emergency exit. It's my first time. Yung cosmetics in here, duty free. So, one at a time. Kami munang dalawa. Pagkatapos namin, kaming dalawa naman binata. So, yung mga different beauty products. So, hindi ko naman sila kilala. Mga first Korean. Kung hindi ko kilala yung mga Korean products. Pero yung dalaga ko lang naman. Sa kanya ko lang nalalaman. Which one? Oh, that one.
I'm actually talking about a different one, so I didn't see this one. I like this one more.
Okay, how much is that? $5. $5 USD each. But the one you said a while ago now, for a certain amount.
10.
For 10. Nasaan yun? Let's check some more. Ano, sa'yo ba yan? It's yours or giving to your friends? What's your plan?
I give one to Christine.
Okay. Nasaan yung for something? Pero sabi ng anak ko mayroong yung K-beauty something sa WEM. Korean beauty products daw yun. Kaya lang baka expensive. Oh, the one's cute.
This is the one I was saying, but then there's this
Oh,
one.
food. Korean food. 3 pieces. How much is this? 16. Okay, that's like 5 each. Ganun din, no? Ito, how much is this? This is the cheaper one. 10. Oh yeah, that's cheaper one. Ano naman yan? Magnet?
Yep. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Yeah, and if you're giving out to your friends, maybe like you can divide that one. Ano to mga to? Fashion. Okay. Hindi ko masyadong bet ng mga ganyan. That's okay. Not my type. Mga sets of spoon. Mahal naman, 23. Sa each mark na lang ako bibili. Pero mahal siya. Mahal. And this is USD, not even Canadian. Mga souvenirs and perfumes. It's okay. Ang galing yung brand. Ito naman talaga. So, sila yung binili niya. Oh. Yan. Tapos mga cutie-cutie. Soju. Yan. Alright. Okay. Let's go get eaten. Uy, yan ang kinakain mo, oh, sa Canada. Pag nandito ka sa Korea, oh, mayaman ka. Yung 100, meron ako kaninang 130,000. So, ito yung pinangbibili nila ng souvenir. Oh, if I'm gonna buy one, might be this one. Although, I don't have plan. So, I ended up buying donuts din. Kasi I'm crashing, super sleepy na ako. I need to drink coffee. Oh, so mukhang ito na yung aming plane. I really need my coffee. Then, I need some sugar. Kagabi kasi 1 oras lang yung tulog ko. Natulog kami mga around 12:44. Nakatulog ako kaagad. Actually, malalim yung tulog ko. Naginip pa nga ako. Kaya lang, it's the jet lag that's working. Parang biglang 2 AM, biglang bumuka yung mata ko. Tapos hindi na ako makabalik sa tulog. Kasi gising na gising yung diwa ko. So, kasi daytime yun ng Edmonton. So, ganun. Ganun kapag nag-jet lag ako, gumigising ako ng 2 AM, 3 AM in the morning. Anyway, last leg of our trip, Korea to Manila. By 11, nandun na kami para makapag-check-in na. At may lagak na yung mga gamit sa Airbnb. More stores are opening. Oh. Nice to see you. Mga kung ano-anong mga knickknacks. Sugar glazed donut. Oh.
야, 오늘 날씨 마닐라 도착했는데 오면은
So yung biyahe pala namin mga around 3 hours. Medyo maulan ng panahon, no? Baka puro turbulence na naman. Okay, we're just waiting for Yana. Nakapag-boarding na kami. Tapos ayan, papunta na kami sa aeroplano. Okay, here she comes. Let's go. Okay, let's go guys. Sana hindi ako malaglag dito sa escalator. Ang dami kong pababa pala ng escalator ang mag-boarding dito. Yan na yung aming Korean Air airplane. So, kailangan makatulog sa biyahe ngayon kasi magla-lunch lang kami sa Venice Mall. So, that's the plan. After checking in sa aming Airbnb sa Venice Residences. And then, beauty sessions nitong mga tsunakis ko. Okay, all the way to the back kami kasi 52. Okay. Pero at least zone 2 kami. Kaya, maaga kami naka-boarding. Siyempre, economy pa rin. Okay, see you naman. Okay, so ayan, pinagbabasa kami ng instructions kapag ka nakupo ka dito sa emergency exit. How you're gonna be helping out in case of emergency. Pagandahan lang. Ayan o. Wide leg kami dito. Yun nga lang. Wala kaming entertainment. Ah, meron pala. Yun yung entertainment namin, but I don't know kung may access pa kami dyan. Yeah, binigyan kami ng ganito eh. May headset. So, I don't know kung ano mag-play dyan. And then, may water. Yun nga lang pala dito, pagka nasa emergency exit ka, even yung mga purses namin, kailangan ilagay sa baggage kasi wala kang paglalagyan sa ilalim. Buti na lang naka-funny pack ako ganito yung important stuff store here. I'm excited to sleep. Super deprived na ako sa tulog. And I really need to have a good sleep para ready na for Manila later. Ito pala yung tutulong ka kapag in case of emergency. So ikaw yung pwede ka kung utusan mag-turn ng mga lever, ganyan-ganyan. Ready for Manila guys? So we're ready. Another thing, malapit sa malapit sa kitchen, diba? Excited na kami umuwi sa Pilipinas. 30 minutes from take-off, prepare na sila ulit ng pagkain. Pare-pareho kami ng order, beef with rice. Ayan. Parang ganito rin yung isang kinain ko kagabi, tama ba? Beef with rice. May kasama siyang bun again. It's a brown bun this time. And I feel like this is egg, maybe. And then, oh, this is yogurt. Yogurt ba to? I think so. And then, just soft drinks. Masarap talaga beef nila. And by the way, sabi nila, this is breakfast. It's chicken salad, a bit spicy. Sarap yung yogurt, strawberry. So ano, Empro. Meron pa silang pa-ice cream. Nag-no lang kami kasi mga busog na kami. Yun, and of course lagi silang may kape. Pati yung binata ko, hindi pinalalagpas yung kape. Ganito pala ito nililipet. Then, insert mo dito. Like that. Then, close. Yeah, so far we have good experience with Korean Air. Masarap yung food, masikaso sila, and yung mga staff, mga friendly talaga. Bubuksan naman pala yung screen. Nag-discover lang ng binata ko. Doon sa ilalim. Yung mga crew nagpe-prepare na for landing. Getting ready. Yung 30 minutes yata magla-landing na. Medyo parang mas maaga. Kasi dapat ang arrival sa Philippines is 10:55 AM, 11 right now 11 AM Korean time lang. Ahead ang Korean ng 1 hour. Itong watch ko nakaset ng Korean. It's only 11. So parang napaaga yata kami ng 30 minutes. Okay, so we're here in Manila. Finally. Ilang araw na kami bumibiyahe. Okay, finally home. So ito yung mga business class nila. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Welcome to Manila. You can feel na dito. Daming tao. Naku, pila to sa immigration. Okay, pero at least maaga-aga kami. 10:45 pa lang, oh. So mag-immigration muna kami. Tapos baggage claim. Tapos didiretso na kami sa Airbnb. Check-in na muna. Pagod na kami dito sa mga gamit namin. Parang 3 araw na yata kami bumibiyahe and eating airline foods. Buti na lang talaga masarap ang food sa Korean Air. Welcome to the Philippines, Ethan. It's been 5 years, no? Medyo malilit pa sila noon. Oh my God, daming tao. Okay, sinantay pa namin yung luggage namin. It might take a while. Daming tao eh. Maski sa immigration and baggage claim, ang dami rin mga carousel na open. Sabay-sabay yata yung flight na dumating. So, yung dami Okay, yan na yung isa ko. Polka dots. Sige, I'll watch the others. Wow, my son. Get ready. Wait, I'll back up kasi pakilagay mo sa paa ko. 1 down. I'll take this. Yeah. Okay, so meron na yung Kayana, the one. Basta yan. I'll watch for the last one. Oh, there's your Ethan. The last one there. Okay, finally, ito na lahat ng luggage namin. Challenge. Kuha tayo ng ng cart. At least these large ones. You stack them up. Okay. Okay, yummy. Oh, do not force your too much. You're gonna strain your muscle. Okay, na tayo, magta-taxi. Ay, mag-grab na tayo. I'll exchange peso first. Nagpapalit ako ng USD. $500 muna. So, dun sa foreign exchange, nandun ako kanina, 40. Ay, magkano palitan? 57 something. Tapos si Mamang Guard, nakialam. Sabi niya, doon ka sa land bank, mas mahal, 58. So, yun. Tawag ko, palit ako 58 flat. Okay na. So, right now, ito kami. So, pupunta na kami sa labas at mag-grab na kami. Didiretso na kami sa Venice Residences. Tapos sa Venice Mall na kami magla-lunch. Okay. Let's go, guys. Naglalaro sila, oh. Sarap ng aircon, eh. Full blast, ano? Mga pawis na pawis ka na dun sa loob. Daming tao kasi. Okay, nakalabas na kami. Welcome to Manila. Over here. Dadalhin ko sa baba. 2, 4, 5. Okay, so naka-check-in na kami dito sa Airbnb namin finally. Anong oras na? Anong petsa na? Okay, dito may appointment kami ng 4 PM. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa my Venice Residences. Yung mga anak ko. Yan, yung dalawa. We're gonna go in na. Ayan o, dito sa Asda Urban Salon, may bundle sila. Cut, color, and treatment packages niya. Cut, color, plus itong bundle na to, Brazilian keratin with haircut, 4.5. Mura na yan. Parang $100 Canadian. Samantalang yung hair color mo nung 250. Just hair color, di ba? Ayan, so i-assess sila each kung ano yung status ng mga buhok nila, kung pwede bang gawin yung mga treatments na gustong gawin nila sa mga buhok nila. Although not perfect na daw for kulot, pero itatry natin para may experience. So yung kanya naman is hair color, haircut, tapos keratin treatment.
Ito lang muna tayo.
O yan, oo.
Ito talaga hindi ko magpapagawa.
Ako hindi na, sila na lang. Yan, so habang yung dalawa nagpapagawa, ako naman magpapafoot spa at saka pedicure para habang inaantay ko sila. So tayo, sinusok mo na. Tapos magpapapedicure na rin. Ayan, pama-experience man lang nilang magpa-parlor at magpakulot. Ang bilis nila, oh. Nangangalahati na. Ano na, after 1 hour. So, yan na yung 1 hour session. Hindi ko lang kung up to what time kami dito. So, nung pagdating namin kahapon from flight, nagpahinga lang kami saglit and then dumiretso na kami sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. Happy-happy naman sila sa outcome ng perming, especially ng binata ko. Tapos yung dalaga ko naman, nagpa-keratin siya, nagpa-color, and a little bit of haircuts. Yeah, super happy naman. And maski pa paano, kahit nagka-delay ang flight namin, at least naihabol namin yung kanilang pa-parlor bago kami lumipat sa next destination. By the way, since we're about to check out, I'll just give you a very quick tour of the Airbnb where we stayed here at Venice Residences. So, the same din siya. If you have seen, I have a video of the Airbnb na tinuluyan ko nung umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas last November. Same condo siya, different tower, different units. So, here we go. Halos the same size lang din siya, pero syempre iba yung fixture. So, this is how it looks like. So, may sofa. Halos ganun din yung layout. This is the kitchen. May washer siya. Merong extra cooler. Tapos, may TV, cabinet. Ito yung bed. Maganda naman yung bed niya. Actually, maganda. Comfy. This is a queen size. Tapos, meron siyang sofa dito. So, pwedeng 3. Pwedeng 4 actually kasi itong foldable na sofa bed. Then itong dining table niya, extendable. And then I like this cabinet right here. Maganda pa naman siya. I like it. Kaya lang, I can't recommend well because napakainit ng aircon. Parang hindi gumagana yung freon niya or something. So, pero hindi na ako nakipag-deal with the owner kasi one night lang naman kami dito. So, I don't want to be hassled anymore. Nag-rest lang talaga kami kagabi. And we're just excited kasi we're moving on to our next destination today. So, mas yun yung look forward ko. Oh, and I love this mirror na design dito sa gilid. Thank you so much for watching and please watch out for more videos coming from our trip here in Manila and in Singapore. Yeah, that's our next destination. See you in the next one. Bye!